Morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Once again, this is about the carbon monoxide that occurrence. Where does it occur? Naturally, it does not. It is not present in air. Carbon dioxide is present in 0.03% in the air, but carbon monoxide is not present in the air. So, and how it is added to the atmosphere due to incomplete combustion of fuels. That is the organic compounds, right? So when organic compounds or the fuels which are burnt in limited supply of air, then the carbon monoxide is released and it is added to atmosphere. Like for example, petrol and diesel, kerosene, when they are burned, then carbon dioxide is formed. Because fuels, they are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So when the carbon will combine with the oxygen in limited supply of air, then carbon monoxide is formed. So for the formation of carbon monoxide gas, the limited supply of air or in absence of air, when the things will burn, then carbon monoxide gas is formed. So carbon monoxide, the formula is CO. Method I have told you in the earlier video. Now the physical properties, it is colorless, odorless, it does not have any smell, and it is poisonous also, and it is tasteless. Carbon dioxide was what? Carbon dioxide was little sour to taste because it is slightly acidic in nature. But carbon monoxide is what? It is tasteless also and does not have any smell, and it is poisonous also, and it is very slightly insoluble. Moreover, the carbon dioxide was 1.5 times heavier than the air, but carbon monoxide is as heavy as air. It can be liquefied also to colorless liquid and under high pressure like carbon dioxide, and the boiling point is -192. Now why it is called a poisonous gas? This is very important. It may come in your examination. Give reason. Carbon dioxide is a poisonous gas. Now carbon dioxide is a poisonous gas. Why it is a poisonous gas? You know the function of the hemoglobin, that it is a oxygen carrier. When we inhale the air, the oxygen is absorbed or it dissolves in the blood capillaries present in the lungs. Now what happened? Carbon monoxide is 300 times more soluble in blood. Carbon monoxide then in comparison to the oxygen. So before oxygen dissolves, the carbon monoxide dissolves in the hemoglobin and it forms a compound called carboxyl hemoglobin. When oxygen combines with the hemoglobin, it forms a compound oxyhemoglobin. But when carbon monoxide dissolves in hemoglobin, then it forms carboxyl hemoglobin. These two terms are given in your book and you may underline it also. So, and it is a stable compound. Carboxyl hemoglobin is a stable compound. It does not break to release carbon monoxide. And it is 300 times more soluble in blood in comparison to oxygen. So it quickly dissolves in hemoglobin when we inhale carbon monoxide, and then the hemoglobin, carboxyl hemoglobin is formed, which along with the blood moves to each and every part of the body. And it prevents, this carboxyl hemoglobin prevents the hemoglobin from taking up oxygen. So a person is going to die. Moreover, it does not have any smell also. So the person who is there in the atmosphere of carbon monoxide, he won't be able to know that he is or she is inhaling carbon monoxide, as the carbon monoxide does not have any smell. And it is poisonous because it forms carboxyl hemoglobin, a stable compound which prevents the hemoglobin from taking up oxygen. Thus a person dies due to lack of oxygen. So this is the reason why the carbon monoxide is poisonous in nature, right? There are certain reasons given on page number 115, that we should not sleep in a closed room with a coal fire burning. So it is very dangerous to sleep in a closed room. You should not close the windows and doors and let the coal inside the room, because incomplete combustion will take place and carbon monoxide gas will be released, and as it is more soluble in blood compared to the oxygen, so it will combine with the hemoglobin and in want of oxygen the person will die, because carbon monoxide will be formed in limited supply of air. It is also very dangerous to stand in garage with engine of automobile running. If the engine will run, fuel will burn in limited supply of air in closed garage, then also carbon monoxide will be released, and it is very difficult to breathe there, as the carbon monoxide will dissolve again in blood and carboxyl hemoglobin will be formed, and it will prevent, this stable compound will prevent oxygen to combine with the blood. Third is that it is dangerous to smoke or be in the vicinity of smokers. Since why it is dangerous to smoke? Because again incomplete combustion will take place, and tobacco when burns, then it releases what? It releases carbon monoxide. And when we don't have to be in the smoke in the close contact with the smokers, those who smoke, because when they will exhale out the smoke, that also contains carbon monoxide, which will be inhaled by. So if a person is smoking in a room, closed room, and the children are also there, so that is also dangerous, because carbon monoxide will be exhaled out, and that will be inhaled by the other members of the family, and they will also be affected. Their health will also be affected, because carbon monoxide, they are inhaling carbon monoxide present in the smoke exhaled by the person. Now, if suppose somebody is inhaled carbon monoxide, so a mixture of carbon dioxide and oxygen, 95% of oxygen and 5% of oxygen is given to them. That this mixture is called carbogen. It is mixed with 5% of the carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide enhances the process of breathing, that is the intake of the oxygen and exhaling out of the carbon dioxide. So this is found to be enhanced. It triggers the process of breathing in the patients. And workers in the factory should be made to wear gas masks, right? Gas mask, I have already told you, with carbon coke in it. That's all for this session. Good day.